When the lockdown was announced, it was very much unexpected because it was in our mind that though this virus was spreading in China and other part, it may not have impact on India, because there was a lot of rumor that this virus is not going to be more effective in a temperature like what you have. Academic was on full swing, and we are absolutely worried about the entire academic activity. But that time the option was the well-being and the life of our students is more important than academics. So we made all arrangement of our students to send them back, and many of the foreign students like Nepal's, they also sent back to their country. And many students from different countries, they couldn't go, they stayed back in the campus. We continued our education through online, and not a single class was missed, and we are also going to conduct and close the semester by online examination. The difficulties or the losses students have, so it is altogether a different experience. And yesterday we were teaching the students in classroom, today we are teaching them through online, and the effectiveness of the knowledge transfer is good. It is a new experience, and I am very much thankful to my faculties. They did a good job. Known to the nation as a new university, and we are continuing our branding advertisements across the country and overseas. And we are planning for the online examination for the students month of June, and the admission will be online. And if the situation improves, then we'll call the students to start the semester, or some portion or one semester we'll offer online for the new students also, because we expect that the vaccine to come, and the students would come without mental worry to the campus. The parents would be happy to send their child to the campus. Our university is today a university of future of skills. We have all the latest technology, and we have lot of international partners, those who have set up their technology lab in our university. And we are pioneer in advanced skilling and new technology. We are the first university to win a gold medal for our country in the world skill. So any student who comes to join here, so they will be getting an opportunity to continue their education with the future of skills, which I don't think many of the university in the country they can offer, and what we can at this stage. I always believe in the outcome, and if you look at the performance of our university, then last year we have won 7 hackathons in the national competition across the country. We have won enormous prizes in different competitions like innovations. We have won Biswakarma Award by the AICT, and many hackathons competition, coding competitions, and the most importantly we won the world skill competition, which is the Olympic of skills. We have proven our caliber as a future of skills university, having all advanced programs available here, skills available here, innovations available here. We have now startup opportunity by DST and DBT. We have auto incubation started here. We have Nidhi incubation started here by the Government of India. The students wants to become an entrepreneur, they have a wonderful opportunity. Students want to have the best of the skill training in engineering, they can have it here. So building a very efficient skilled future is quite possible in our university. Those are our strength. We always believe to deliver something to our students which is industry accepted, and in the other way we can say that our students are industry ready. That is our main strength. The journey is very struggling, because we have started this program, started from the ITI in the year of 90s, and from there we came to the polytechnics and engineering, and we have passed through all the rough path of our career, And education is something which everybody needs, and most importantly the quality education. And the entire journey and our entire objective and effort was to offer quality education in all the field, and that was really appreciated and accepted by our public. And with their good wishes, with their blessings, we have grown, and we became an engineering college, and we have the accreditation, and we ranked in the top 100 colleges in the country since last 4 years continuously. And now our college has been upgraded to a global university, and the objective of the university is now different. We want more global participation, global faculties, international students, and international companies to come and collaborate with us, our students getting more international jobs. So those are all the objectives now, and the journey has taught us how to really deliver in the field. We are not an university only for showcasing the technology. We are an university to really transform the life of the students with the new technology, with the future of the skills. And that's what really always gives us strength to face any situations, like even the epidemic like today, what we all are suffering for that.